Was creating my plan. So there is an option for create drawing, and currently it is unchecked. So the idea behind keeping it unchecked is that first I'm creating plan in the background, because if I would have checked this, then my sheet would have been produced. The A2 sheet, on my A2 sheet there would have been the plan in the top and profile missing in the bottom, because I have checked this create drawing. So what can be the best option? Best option is to just create your plan and profile, or just simply plan at the background, and when you do the same work for your profile, then create your drawing, so that both the plan and profile are synchronized together. Okay, so I've kept my length as 1 kilometer. So obviously it's a basic understanding when I will be cutting its profile. So profile should be start and end at the same locations from where these profile boundaries are going to start and end. So in order to make them in synchronization, when we are going to take selection name boundaries again, place name boundary. So since I'm done with the civil plan, I need to select civil profile. Okay, so before selecting civil profile, if I do the same thing, set my values and then snap it, the one thing I would be doing a blunder, that I am selecting my center line in the view port number 1, which will not happen, which will not make it, means you cannot make successfully your profile, because since when I was creating the plan, I should select the center line in the view 1, and for the profile I need to switch on its profile model, profile view basically. And before switching on, let's see what are the parameters or attributes in the profile. So drawing seed, as I said before, it is basically your setting region library file, in which you define your what kilometer of highway section should be there, what should be your detail scale, what should be your even the border, which is your in your A2 or A1 or even A3 borders. You have certain company specific or your organization specific borders. So you can even set once. All you need to do is that if you are done with your settings, the drawing production is a very can be done in a very quick manner and without wasting any time, and lot of manual efforts of drafting as well as correction of correction is also saved. So this will be seeing later on how the things are linked, and from starting we have been demonstrating like how the open roads is completely dynamic. One change you make here and everything is going to be reflected in the deliverables event, which is your plan profile sheets. So if I'm selecting the civil profile, I have the option to select drawing seat. And again, I will explain this naming convention. So if it is A1 plan profile, which means I'm going to create my, so there are three parts of this name. First part is your sheet size. So within the A1 sheet, I'm going to create a plan profile. And which part means I'm done with the plan and now I'm going to create the profile. So if I select this, just notice that the detail scale is 1 is to 500 and rest other parameters. So let me select the drawing seed as A2 plan and profile, and detail scale changes to 1 to 2000, which we found, or it is always the best to display your plan and profile within the A2 sheet. And I can give my name or like any name I want. The most important is your method from plan group. So there are two methods, station limits and plan group. Since I have already created the plan, and in order to synchronize the profile, which should come just below this profile plans, I need to select from plan group, and software automatically understands like when you are creating your profile using your plan group. So whatever the plan group is available, so it has automatically fetched its name, which is Mumbai NS3. So all my this four plans are grouped together as Mumbai NS3. Okay, so let me quickly switch on my profile model as well, so that we can select and cut our profiles also. Okay, so now we in the view number 3, I'm having my profile model, and in view number 4, I'm having my plan model. So you need to select again boundary codes, place name boundary, civil profile. Yes, I will go with this name only, profile. And what about these attributes? So let us quickly look that. Vertical exaggeration is your scaling of your vertical with respect to basically your horizontal. So currently it's 1. Let us change to from 1 to 10. So vertical, as soon as you change your vertical exaggeration, available profile height automatically updates itself. So it's 20 meters. So this depends what available profile height you want to keep. It's not that you need to go with this option only. You can even alter or change this available profile height when during your hilly in your hilly terrains. It's obvious you need to increase a bit so that your vertical profile is captured within the boundaries. And yes, okay, these are the top and bottom clearances, even which you can clearance you can set your values right over here. And then profile shift, you have multiple options for profile shifts also. So daytime stations, if you're not getting your basically the rectangles in this uh, profile, you can select do not shift. So let us quickly select the name and select my vertical profile. So just notice, as soon as I'm selecting my vertical profile, these 4 boxes are automatically snapped. And when I have a closer look, I can see my complete vertical profile is covered with this. So if you can see the orientation as well as the shifting of these boxes, they are automatically taking or covering up my complete vertical profile. And these 4 profile name boundaries are in synchronization with my this plan boundaries. So had I not been selecting this method from plan group, so I need to I would have to create it manually. Since I have selected from plan group, so it has automatically taken it the start and end changes of the like first box, then second box, then third box. So in very easy, if you understand in very easy simpler terms. So okay, so if I feel now I'm good to go, I can create my drawing right over here. So I have 2 options. Either I can check this mark. Now, since I have created both plan as well as now profile name boundaries, I can, if I do the check mark right over here, create drawing, you are going to get a create drawing dialog box, which is the final setting. And it's basically confirmation settings, like what scale you want to give, what annotation group. So I can even check this right from here. So instead of doing this, let us first be confirmed whether my plan and profile groups have been made or not. So one single left click more, and this window is basically going to disappear. So I have single left click and I am having plan as well as profile. Now if I see how to get confirmed, so whether my plan and profile has been created successfully. So within this drawing production only, as I said before, this is your important section. Within this name boundaries, we have for creating my plan and profile, I have selected this name boundary and then place name boundary. And how to create a final drawing sheets. So there is a name boundary dialog box right over here, just below it. So you need to select this, click over it, and within this dialog box, if you can see, there are 2 drop-down icons available in front of my plan as well as profile groups. So this drop-down icons confirms that yes, I have created my plan and profile. And if I need to see how many parts or how many sections I have cut, so if you can see within the plan group name is Mumbai NS3, and within that I have my 4 plan boundaries, and within my profile I have 4 profile boundaries, and these all profiles are linked to this plan, means one below, just below it. So they will appear just below it because they are in synchronization. So if I just simply close these dialog boxes, and now from within this dialog box, I can go for the final creation of my plan and profile sheets. So till now yet I have nothing done any extraordinary work. I've simply selected vertical exaggeration for the vertical and your left and right offsets and the highway section of length. And now you need to click over this profile group and select your profile group name and just right click over it. You are going to see multiple options. So we will be selecting create plan and profile drawing. But before that, you should be you should toggle on these two icons. So what are these two icons? Basically show the create drawing dialog. So this icon is same when you create your profile and check this box create drawing. So this would have come right from here as well or here as well. So the first icon is show the create drawing dialog, which is your basically your confirmation for all your settings. And next is your annotate plan drawing model. So basically annotation means you are going to get the values, whatever the elements which are defined.